Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you the HP Smart app you could download on your iPhone or Android device. Here's what it does. As you can see, you're looking at my HP OfficeJet 3830. As you can see, it's an all-in-one. I got it at Target a few years ago. Cost me 50 bucks at the time. It was actually really good. I had to get my mom a new printer, and that is the 4150. As you can see, this has a full screen. That one doesn't. With the 4150, you have to use the HP Smart app to set it up. You connect it through there. So basically what you're doing is you're using your phone or tablet as a terminal. So I'm going to show you how to get that. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to, in this case, since I'm using the iPhone, you want to go to the App Store. You type in HP. It's called HP Smart, so you choose the first one. And the second one down is HP Smart. And I have it on my phone. But what you need now, so what I want to try to do is get my printer to act as if it's printing. I'm not actually going to print anything. So open this up. Now as you can see, it's not recognizing the printer that's in front of me because you don't set it up that way. So what I have to do now is home it out. We'll go to settings. Turn my wireless on. So I have two wireless routers. So I'm going to connect this printer to the one that you see up there. But I'm not going to give you the names of my network. So this is like the old phone. So I'm connecting it now. I typed in the wrong password, but anyway, to get this started, you could do Play and Learn, you could do Smart Tasks, Mobile Fax, Camera Scan. Now the camera scan is very interesting. The camera scan will let you take a picture in the same room as the printer. And where your wireless access point is, you can click print and it'll send it directly to a printer. You do have to have the HP plugin. And you have mobile fax. There are some companies that still use fax machines. You can print photos, you can print documents, you can do printer scan, which means I can scan the document from my phone and send it to a printer instead of actually opening up the lid and using the scan feature. I could create photo books. I could do a lot of things. So I am going to have to redo the wireless setup. So the reason there's a white with the line is this is the printer that I got from a family member. This is the 4150. It's actually a really nice printer. I got it from Staples. If you're in the US, you know what Staples is. If you're not, Staples is an office supply store. They sell printers, they sell blank CDs and DVDs, they sell keyboards, they sell office chairs, they sell all sorts of stuff. It's kind of hard to do it this way. Now the one that you're seeing is the older model of the 4150. Alright, so the connection is successful. We're going to push OK. I'm not on the proper network either. So so what I did is I'm going to add a printer. So I'm going to set up a new printer here. I am connected to Wi-Fi, but for someone who doesn't know what's going on, so this is wirelessly connected. Now this is interesting. Not sure if you can see on camera, it says printer update, so I'm going to update the printer. Performance update, yes. This is the first time updating the printer. Now, on the 4150, you would have to do this through the HP Smart app. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to connect my phone to the wireless that's right here. Your phone has to be on the same wireless network as the printer, otherwise the Smart App will not see it. Right, so it's alright, so I'm going to let it do its thing there. Now, while I'm letting this update, I'm going to connect my phone to the proper wireless network. That's why I had a hard time doing it. Still updating. And now it's going to restart. So now, after it restarts, I'll go back in to HP Smart and I should be able to pick up the printer. Alright, there we go. So, printer is updated. So now we're going to go into the app again. We're going to exit out. Okay, so we're going to add a printer. And there it is, right here. Now the mistake I made is in the house that I'm at, we have 3 separate wireless networks. 2, one for one side of the house and one for the other. And I have my own 2 networks in my room. So now I'm connected to this wireless, if you could see it. On here, you select that and it changed to printer. And here we go. So now I'm getting the printer, the photo of the printer, and I'm getting ink levels. Now the problem is the ink is so old I haven't used this printer, the ink dried up on me, unfortunately. So if I scroll down here, I'm just going to do a camera scan real quick. Click allow. Right? So I'm just going to push the camera button, take a picture. Take a picture. I'm going to leave it like this. Push next. I could add text or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. Down here on the left hand side you click print. Print. Then you click a boob. Now I have no paper in there, so it's not going to print. Right? So now I got the out of paper notification. Now here's the cool thing. If you have a good wireless range, and let's say you're outside your house taking a picture of a plant, you could send it directly to your printer. So I canceled the job, and it canceled it, as you could hear and you could see it. So it says, am I done working? So I'm going to say yes, go home, and I am home. So in order, which means on this particular printer, I could set it up through my phone as well. So if someone happens to give you a good printer that still works, you could download the HP Smart app and set it up. So now what I can do here is go down to settings, push settings, and I could set up the printer how I like it, or how I need. So I could do view and print. I'm not going to show the photos. I could do scan just directly from there. So I could do smart tasks. I could camera scan the email. I could send multiple stuff to the recipient, which means the person I'm trying to send stuff to, whether it be in office or whatever. Help and support. I could print documents if I have documents on my phone. I could do printer scan. And what this will do is if you hold this, it's scanning on the scan bed. And this is a progress status. Right? So you heard it, it's just scanned successful. So, same thing, yes, go home when you're done. And I can copy. So, if for some reason, let's say I set this up and for some reason I break the screen or whatever, I could just use my phone and have everything in there. The only thing you can't do is turn it on or off through the phone. You can do all sorts of stuff. And it gives you the name of the printer up at the top. And it gives you the serial number. So, anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.